Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 8 of Vlogmas, and I am going to show you how to make a no-sew tie blanket. It's very easy to do, and you can finish this in one day. You're going to need 2 pieces of fleece, and whatever the size you want, do the exact same on both pieces. For me, I did 1.5 meters, but if you want to go smaller, 1.25 meters, and you're going to put both pieces on top of each other. Just make sure your print is on the correct side. Start flattening the pieces together, lining up from the edges, and then pin around the top piece so that it stays together when you're, moving them around and such to lay everything flat. And once you have finished that, start cutting off your excess pieces around the blanket. Before you start doing your strips, you need to cut a little piece of square from your corners. I'm doing 4x4. Once you have done that, start cutting your strips. Whatever the height of your square was, should be the length of your cut. My strips are 2 inches in length. I don't think you should be going any higher, maybe 3 inches if you want to, but you should not go any wider than 2 inches. So you're going to pin your corners so they're not shifting around when you start tying your blanket. And you're going to pinch up to where your cut is, and then you're going to snip in the center of the fold to create a hole. And then you're going to poke through the corner of your tail in the hole that you just made, and you're going to gently pull to make a cute little tie thing. Yes. Continue to do this throughout the entire blanket. Take your time when doing so, and if you do this, please do it on a comfortable seating area, not on the floor like me, hunching over. It's not really good for your back, believe me. And that's really it on how to make these no-sew tie blankets. It's so easy for anyone at any age. Perfect gifts for anyone for Christmas, birthdays, baby showers, and etc. And you don't even need a sewing machine for it, which is the best part because that means anyone can do this. Fun fact, this was my first time ever making a no-sew tie blanket. It's fun, and I kind of want to make more. Maybe I will in the future. Anyways, if you guys like this little mini tutorial on how to make these no-sew tie-on blankets, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me on my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more further content I will be doing for the rest of December for the Vlogmas Challenge, as well as the new year. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye-bye!